I got 2 packages in today. I know one is PR, which is, I think is this one, and another one from Amazon, which is my shopping addict self. Ordered it. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Because I did a return on Amazon, and then I forgot to click, so the money goes back to my card. They gave me store credit, Amazon credit. So guess what? I'm just gonna splurge it back. Because if the money was in my account, I would not buy it. But because the money was on Apple gift card, I'm not letting my money sit in there. I'm gonna spend it. Especially if I find a bill of something that I want, we're getting it. Yeah. So what we have here is this little cute pineapple. Better Home and Garden. I am a candle. Of course I know you are a candle. You ain't got to tell me twice. So this is how she looks. She's pumpkin and she's in the color gray. Jeez, I thought I couldn't open it. They look like those Bed Bath and Beyond. Not, I think Bed Bath and Beyond has candles, right? Oh my god, this smells like vanilla something. Sneakerdoodle swirl. That's what it says at the bottom. You know, when you think all you want to smell is something fruity. Yeah, she smells good, but I haven't lighted it up. So I'm just gonna get it. Do I even really light it up? I'm probably just gonna sit it as a decoration, but burn it if my room is smelling funky, which it cannot smell funky because I have a spray in here, which sprays every 15 minutes, so it smells angelic over here. But I got that, and this is how she looks. And it comes in this little pumpkin jar, and this is how she looks inside. Nothing special, just like a regular candy. I say regular candy, regular candle. Yeah. And now let's get into this Amazon package. I know what I ordered, but I don't know what actually came into it because it's a whole bunch of stuff. So, okay, anti-blue light. This is just a screen protector for my phone. Yes, I don't have a screen protector on the phone. I've been thugging it out. Yeah, this was only like, I found it on sale. There's this app called Coupons, so I got it for like $3. It was normally like 26. I got it for $3, and she's pretty heavy, so she must be a good one. And this is Green Deluxe. Oh, this is a deep vitamin C capsule cream, and she looks like this. And this is for the skin. It has vitamin C, water 50%, vitamin C derived niacinamide 5%, and collagen. And this has like the little bubble, you know, like the bubble that people have on their skincare now. This was only like, I want to say $5.99, but it was originally like $24. Like I said, go on that app, you get you a pretty good discount. I also got, I think I got like, what's this brand that everybody talks about? You see the bubbles inside? Oh my god, see how she looks inside? I only got it because of the bubble. I see everybody talking about the bubbles, and I want to squish one on my face. So this is how she looks. This is the back. It's written in Chinese, so I don't think you're gonna understand that, but I had to show you anyway. Oh, it comes with a little spoolie. I don't even know if it's a spoolie, but this is how she looked. The little thing, so you can scoop. So they said since I have oily skin, I need to grab, let me just show you now. So I need to grab like, hold on. So the gel, I just need to get like 2 scoops of the gel, but the little ball, I need to grab 1 because my skin is oily skin. So it tells you on the Amazon thing, like, if you have dry skin, maybe you need 1 scoop and 2 balls. The way I set the balls too, I ain't talking about that ball. That's all what I got though. Thank you for watching.